Today I will show you how to share documents and use the different collaboration features in Microsoft 365. First of all, we will create a document and then add some text to it. From here we can save the document to our personal OneDrive. This will allow us to access documents in Office online on different devices including mobiles, and then we can share it so others can do the same. This will enable the autosave feature to prevent data loss, and you can also roll back to previous versions if needed. Once saved, close the document and then browse to the location that it was saved in. Now we will cover sharing of documents. Once you have found the document, you'll want to right click it and then select share. From here you can enter the details of who you want to share this to. I will use the specific people option, but if you click into there, this will give you a list of other options such as anyone with the link or people in your organisation, for example. Once you've typed the address of who you want to send this to, you can then click the blue button and this will send it off in an email. Alternatively, you can click copy to copy the link and then put that manually into an email yourself. Once this has been shared and the other person starts to use the document, you will see when they are also editing it. As the document is stored in the cloud, this allows live syncing across devices and users. As you can see up here, it will have a circle with the initials of the person in it when they're editing the shared document. This also works the same if you have the document stored in a SharePoint site and multiple people are editing it. I will briefly cover the comments in a Word document. This was covered in my previous video, but we'll just go over some of the features here. As you see, if you click comments in the top right, you can then send this to the point of where you were clicked on the document. I'll now write a comment and then send this, and as you can see, it will show on the right hand side of the document once we click send, and then you can quickly click on the speech bubble to open this up and see what's inside of the comment, and it will also show whereabouts it is in the document. I've opened up the document whilst logged into my other account, and as you can see, it shows my comment here, and this is what it will look like for the other person. As this is shared in the cloud, it allows live edits, so multiple people can have the document open and edit it at the same time. It will show their initials like this to mark the changes they have made in the document. And that's it. If you like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.